Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you clicked today's video, then that means you probably want to learn how to cornrow. So if that's the case and you are a visual learner, then this is a tutorial for you. This is going to be very in-depth for all my beginners who learn by watching things done. And we are going to do the tutorial today with the help of my little mannequin friend here. We are going to be using her hair to learn how to cornrow. So if you don't have a mannequin, then I always suggest, if you're learning how to cornrow, braid, or anything, even learning how to curl hair, it's really good to practice on a mannequin head. And this is something worth investing in if you really want to perfect your skills when it comes to doing hair. So I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can purchase your own if you'd like to invest in a mannequin head as well. But if you already have one, then follow along in today's tutorial. So for today, where I'm going to show you step by step. This is going to be very, very detailed, very slow, and I'm just really hoping that when you're done watching this video, it'll be easier for you to do it on yourself or on somebody else. So start off by grabbing a tail comb and parting off a section of hair. And the first thing you want to do when you grab this section of hair, you want to make sure everything else is separated so that it doesn't go into the hair. At the very start, you are gonna grab 3 strands of hair, okay? 1, 2, 3. One piece is going to be on your left, one piece in the middle, one piece on the right. And you are going to be working with these 3 strands of hair, and they're going to be growing as you go down the hairline. So you parted your straight line, and now at the very start of the hair, you have 3 pieces. So when you're cornrowing, there always has to be 1 strand on the left, the right, and the middle. 2 strands can't be on the same side at the same time. Remember that when you're cornrowing. Your index finger is going to be doing a lot of the work. This is what you're gonna use to grab hair every time you move to another side. So grab 3 strands, 3 mini strands to start off with. The strand on the right goes all the way to the left. The strand in the middle goes all the way to the right. And the strand on the left goes underneath to what was in the middle. So that's your movement. So now we're doing the same thing. Your index finger is gonna grab what's on the right with a bit of hair, not too much hair. What was on the right is now in the middle. What is in the middle now has to move to the right. When it moves to the right, grabs a little piece of hair and just chills there. Now what's on the left comes underneath to what's in the middle. Remember, 2 strands of hair can't be in the same place at the same time. So now, because the strand that was on the left has come to the middle, what's on the middle has gone and booted out, and now we are on the left. We're doing the same thing again. What's on the right goes over to the middle. What's in the middle goes over to the right. What's on the left goes under what's in the middle. Now 3 different strands are in 3 different places. And we're doing the same movement until we get to where we want to. Remember, your index finger is doing the work. It's doing the grabbing and the moving. And every time you do a movement, it's easy for your cornrows to get loose. So you do a little pull and then it gets tight again. You're doing the same movement over and over again. And that's basically how you cornrow. They're all trying to get to the middle, basically. So what's in the right went to the middle. Now, what's on the left goes underneath and goes to the middle. Again, what's on the right wants to go back to the middle. I hope that makes sense. So if the strand from the left took over and went to the middle, then the strand in the middle goes over to the left. And that is how you cornrow. So again, grab 3 strands. I'm going to do it in slow motion. And I just want to encourage you that if you're trying to learn how to braid or cornrow and you're watching all these videos and you're unable to get it right away, don't be discouraged, because doing hair is all about practice. So keep practicing and eventually you'll get it.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next one.